Hi, Toano Middle School. It's time for another lesson in information literacy learning. Today what we're going to do is we're going to use our online catalog and we're going to conduct a power search and a visual search. What in the world is a power search? And I've never heard of a visual search. Well, take a look here. What they do is they help to narrow down your search results so that it's not so broad. We use something called Boolean operators. They're words like and, or, and not. They mean something to computers and databases, and it helps to eliminate extra things you don't want to show up in a search, or it might add some things that you need in a search. Visual searches are just grouped categories like dogs, cats. They're groups of books and resources that you're going to find in one place. Let's go ahead and give it a try. We're going to go to our Toano Middle School website. Come right on up here to the library. We're going to go to the online catalog, Toano Middle School. And let's say, for example, we're going to do a power search. We're going to bypass the basic search and we're going to do a power search. Let's say, for example, we are going to look for, we want some information. We're thinking about working on something like the solar system, but we don't want to get anything about the sun or even the earth. Oops. These are proper nouns. Let me make sure that I do this right. Well, if we don't do anything, we're going to find information on the solar system, the sun, and the earth. So we're going to have a lot of information. What if we said we really want to eliminate the sun and we want to eliminate anything on the earth? We just want the basic solar system. And we can look for any type of information, not just a book. So we're ready to go ahead and do a search here. And look at all of these listings, these book listings on the solar system. However, you're not going to find anything on there that has to do with the sun or the earth because we told it not to include those words in our keyword search. Let's take a look over here at what they have here for a website search. Again, it's taken that information that we gave it. We're looking for any information on solar system, but we don't want to read anything on the sun and we don't want to read anything on the earth. So look at all of these wonderful websites here that our Destiny system has set up for us. Now part 2 of this is to look at doing a different search here. We're going to do something called a visual search. You see this? Let's go ahead and click on the visual tab. And there's some categories, very popular categories that have already been set up. So let's say I'm looking for information on, well, looking for animals. Not really sure, I just like to read about animals. And let's see, I think what I might do is look up information on dogs. And notice here, very quickly it is showing me all of the books that have a keyword dog in it on our bookshelves. If we click on websites, here it goes again. It's showing us wonderful websites that have been picked out by people who have backgrounds in evaluating websites, and you can never go wrong using what the websites and the books here to get your information, whether it's for a grade in a class project or whether it's just for your own pleasure. You really need to try these 2 new types of searches. It's a power search and a visual search. Anytime you ever need any help in the library, make sure you ask. We love to help you.